In a world full of people and places, in organizations looking to improve their edge and excel, it's always important to stay in control of any situation. Are you managing field workers, managing structures and buildings, looking to elevate your organization with a new, robust technology? Patrolit offers a wide variety of state-of-the-art technology solutions for industrial, municipal, and government sectors: security, maintenance, cleaning, oversight, safety, inspections, presence. With the push of a button, you can see a field agent's activities, execute tasks, receive alerts, and respond immediately to urgent events in real time.
תוכנת הפטרולית מאפשרת לאגף הביטחון לשלוט מרחוק ובזמן אמת בכל מערך האבטחה, הביטחון והחירום בעיר.
באמצעות תוכנת פטרולית, אגף הביטחון מממש את חזון ראש העיר לעיר חכמה וניהול טכנולוגי נפלא של משאבי הביטחון.
Developed by Israeli engineers and operating all over the world by a team of experienced professionals, providing technology solutions for managing, controlling, and supervising workers in a variety of industries, all in a cloud-based, modular mobile solution tailored to each customer's needs.
והיתרון הגדול בעצם של המערכת שהיא מאפשרת לנו גמישות. אנחנו יודעים להתאים את המערכת לעצמנו. המערכת בעצם באה ועשתה לנו סדר באופן מאוד פשוט, מאוד יעיל.
From the field agents to the senior staff, Patrolit can be adopted to your needs. Have control at your fingertips. Ask us how Patrolit can benefit to your success. Patrolit, in the right place at the right time.